Hello gentlemen, Steve Beeson here with American Iron Works. Today we're going to perform a pull test on our Hinge Style Hobble clamp on a vibrator hose. This is a 5.5 inch OD, 3.5 inch ID. We have placed the clamp 10 inches from here to here. Generally your swedged fitting will start right here. API specs, they want 10 inches between here and here. We have evenly torqued our bolts to 40 foot-pounds. Let's give a little pull test and see how it performs. Pull test. Stroke on our ram because of the stretch of the hose. That pulled pretty good though, 12,000. We will go ahead and choke this up. I will slide the anchor portion down more so that I can get more stroke, but again our hydraulic ram here, from the stretch of the hose, we ran out of stroke. We're going to turn the camera off and do another pull after I reset the anchor point. Okay, we've repositioned our anchor point to where we can get more extension on our hydraulic ram. This pull here, the pull that we just performed, pulled 12,800 pounds before it pulled the clamp around like this. That's probably about all we're going to get out of it, because once the rubber starts giving up on the hose, the clamp loses its ability to grip. So, but anyway, we're going to go ahead and pull it more until it comes off and see what the load is. Brake test. $8,000, $9,000, $10,000, $12,000, $13,000, $14,000, $15,000, $16,000, $16,000, $17,000, Okay, so the Hobble clamp pulled 16,817 pounds. It looks like that the rubber started peeling off at around 12,000. Pretty good test. It pulled a little bit better than what I thought it would. Let me get my camera out here and show the end of the hose. You can't see very well. But again, at 17,000, it starts peeling the rubber back off of the outside. The clamp did a pretty good job of biting in. So, I believe that's a good test. I may go ahead and just try to pull that. I don't think I'm going to get any more out of it. It went to 17,000 and then I heard some cords breaking and it dropped back down to 16. So I thought I had lost it, but it may have a little bit more just to make sure that it won't grip in any tighter. I am going to go ahead and pull it one more time, but great test. Okay, this will be test number 3, and I'm getting a little froggy, so I'm going to go ahead and close my guards down. But we'll go ahead and pull it until the clamp pulls all the way off. It pulled 16,800 pounds to do what it did right there. But again, I'm going to close my guards down because I know once it cuts loose, it's going to have a lot of stored energy. Here we go. Great test. $11,000. $12,000. $13,000. Something's slipping. 11,000, 10,000. It's starting to slip off right there. Okay, that test there was pulled 13,007. But again, before that, it pulled 16.8. Pretty good test. The hinge hobble, API says that we have to have a minimum break of 16,000. That clamp there will pull 40,000. Generally, they pull the eye out at about 48 or so. So we're 3 times the API standard on the strength of the hobble clamp. Today's test was simply testing the gripping ability on a hose. So, great test. Thank you for watching.